How to disable RePoints Spare Change on Revolut. In this video, I'll show you how you can disable RePoints Spare Change on Revolut. The very first thing that you want to do is open up Revolut application and make sure that you're logged in. Once you're logged in, while you're on your home screen from Revolut, all you have to do is to access RevPoints to the lower right. And from there, what you want to do next is to access this icon right here at the top right, which kind of looks like a protective gear. Simply tap on that. And then on that next page, you should be able to see option feature under spare change, where you can change the accelerator into times 1 up until times 10. Now for you to be able to disable it, just simply untick the blue circle line right there for you to disable it, and you will be asked to if you would really disable this feature right here, just simply hit on confirm so that you can go ahead and have it disabled. And that's it. That's how you disable a RePoints Spare Change on Revolut.